Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to have an overview of the building blocks or the files that we will need to install Ansible execution environment. So first of all, I have a connection to my controller and I have created this folder over there. So I can show you from here. So as you can see, when I go to CD into controller, ls, or I prefer to use tree. So this is my directory structure. So we have the Ansible execution environment folder. We have this build. This is a result from other builds that I've done, but then we will focus more on the execution environments, requirements.txt, and then the requirements.yaml. So it's the same structure that we have here. So as you can see, this is our execution environment, and we will go over it. Then we are using version 1 of the execution environment, and we have our dependencies. Ansible Galaxy requirements has been grayed out because I want the execution environment to install all collections made available when we install Ansible on the container, or let's say the image. And we also have some Python dependencies that you may want to install. And we also have some system packages that we may want to install. And as you can see, I have disabled Ansible configuration file. I want it to use the default, and additional build steps that we may want to have in our container, or let's say our images, to update and also install setup tools and also run this command on the container. So let's look at first of all the requirements galaxy.yaml. So this is basically collections that you can select which collections to install. So I prefer to have everything installed because I don't want to go back and then be adding collections and creating new images. So I have disabled this, and you can see from here, it's well disabled. So when the setup runs, it's not going to install these collections. But you can as well also, put whatever you want over here, and it will get installed. So the next one we are looking at is the Python requirements. So let's see. So this is just going to install Ansible PyList, SSH, which is used by PyLib SSH, is used by Ansible to initiate SSH connections, just like we use any other tool, or let's say software or connection method for SSH. And we're going to install NTC templates. We're going to install NetMaple. We're going to install PyATS. And then we look at the build bind ep.test. So this is basically going to install Git and install IP utils. These are system packages that we know to install. So that'll be all. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to build this image from scratch. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.